Okay, Grandpa came home from his bike ride and he's stretching. Show Grandma how you girls were stretching.
Are we ready?
Stretch. Look at Lauren's, Maddie stretching. Oh yeah, she's stretching. Good job, Maddie. How about, is Lauren still stretching?
She's making the noises.
There's Lauren stretching. Maddie's eating her out.
Maddie, watch this. Come. Turn around that way and stretch.
Look at me.
Oh, good job,
Look at
Lauren.
She's got one leg on it.
This is Lauren, a little gift that Lauren has that Grandma found. It says, paint your own tea set. So she can paint her tea set. And that's what she's doing. Let me see.
I know, you looked right at me for a second.
Show Grandma how you're painting.
I wasn't
Good
being-
job.
I know. I thought you were in green, so I was looking for a guy in green. I look so tired because I had 1 hour of sleep today.
Let's see, can I turn your
Well,
tea
look,
set around
it's
so we
all
can,
creased.
oh, that's
Oh, I know.
pretty.
Oh, it's
Very,
terrible.
very
Your face
pretty.
ironed there as well, no
Don't
big
get your
deal.
hair in it.
I was irritated though.
Anyway, after she paints it, then we're gonna bake it,
They told me
and it'll bake the paint on, and then she can use it for a tea set.
I go, "Well, I'm worried about
Cool,
the
huh,
break.
Lauren?
Is it gonna come out
Okay.
really nice?" And the lady goes,
Very
"Oh,
cool.
there's no wrinkles."
Very
It comes
cool.
out. And I said, she goes, "And if there's
I
not,
need
there's
some
a
yellow.
steamer that you
Yeah,
can
look.
steam." They didn't have even one. They had nothing. That's it, yeah. With my
Very
timer,
good,
I only
Lauren.
took like a 1 minute shot.
Okay.